Hello my friends, welcome to the day after the epic storm. We didn't really get a lot of snow. We got snow, but I mean it wasn't like that town in Russia or wherever it was where they got like massive drifts and all that kind of stuff, but there's a good little amount. It's fucking freezing cold. I had thought about going for a walk today because it is kind of nice out, but the wind is just, yeah, I've had to like take shifts at shoveling. And it wasn't even a lot of shoveling to do, but it is just like even wearing double gloves, like it is fucking cold, man. And yeah, no walk today. Hopefully I'll get out tomorrow. Temperature's supposed to get a little bit more mild towards the end of the week. And but I'm hearing that there's also another polar vortex coming, so there's that. We're still in Canadian winter, so nothing should be surprising, nothing should be shocking. It's winter in Canada. So, yeah, we just carry on and freeze our butts off. Alright, please like, subscribe, and share. My fingers are freezing, so I'm going to go back inside.